In this video, we're gonna see how to convert photos into Excel dataset. Excel has an excellent tool that is within the Data tab from Picture. This is the tool that we can use. When you click from Picture, you have two options to choose. I'm gonna stick with the first one, Picture from File, because that way I can select the files that I have in my computer. And when I click in that option, as we can see, a new window appears for me, and that way I can select the files that I want to use. I have two different files. The first one is the smallest one, and it's a screenshot. The second one is the largest one, and it's actually a photo. I want to start with the smallest one. Let's see what's gonna happen here. So click in the file to select, and then I want to click Insert. That way Excel is gonna open this right panel that is loading the data, and it's almost worked flawlessly. Why I'm saying almost? Because as we can see, there is some cells being highlighted with this red color, and all those cells that are being highlighted with this reddish color mean that Excel has not that much sure about the veracity of the content within the cell. To make sure everything is correct, I can click, let's say, in the first reddish cell that I have, and then Excel is going to show me the data within the photo and also the data within the cell, and we can see if the values are being matching. Here is correct, so I can click accept, and then I can move to the second one. Okay, name is equal to name, so okay, it's correct. And then I can move to the third one, John, yeah, is equal to John, so accept, and on and on. And even though I have some cells being highlighted with this reddish color, it doesn't mean that it's wrong. It just means that Excel has low confidence about the content that has within the cell. Okay, so that's it. I can click in the cell, and then I can check if everything is correct. And as I can see, yeah, everything is correct, 100%. So I can click now Insert Data, and I can insert anyway, or as we did before, I can click Review to review all the 11 Edwish cells to make sure the data, the content within the cell is correct. So I can click Accept, 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 or I can click here, Close, and then Insert Data, Insert anyway, and that's it. Now instead of have a photo in Excel, I have a data set. If I want to make some calculations here, such as an addition of all the salary that I have, equal sign some function, double click, want you to select all those previous values, and then enter. As we can see, it's working. So this is how we can convert a photo in Excel, a screenshot, into dataset. I can do it again, but this time I want to use the second picture that I have, the larger one. So let me click, let's say, in this cell right here, I1, because the way Excel is going to insert within this cell right here, it's going to start from this cell. Data, and then from picture, picture from file. Now it's time to select the second one, and then insert. In this right panel, we can see the status and see if everything is correct. Okay, now 95% is correct. Let's click here, review, and then weekly sales, yeah, it's correct. So accept. Holiday flag, yes, accept, and that's it. Okay, I think everything is correct, so let me close this, and then insert data, insert anyway, and yeah, that's it. Now I have the second data set that I converted from a photo that I have, and everything is correct. So again, this is how we can convert a photo into a data set in Excel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions or any suggestions to the next videos, let me know, comment down below, and I see you tomorrow. As every day has a new video, I see you there.